Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss which petrol is best for your bike. Understanding petrol types. Before we get into the details, it's essential to understand the different types of petrol available in the market. Regular petrol. Regular petrol is the most widely available and cost-effective. However, it has a lower octane rating, which can potentially affect engine performance and cause knocking. Premium petrol. Premium petrol has a higher octane rating, promoting smoother combustion and reducing knocking. However, it comes at a higher cost and might not be readily available at all fuel stations. Bike engine considerations. Now, let's discuss how your bike's engine factors into the equation. Different engines have different requirements when it comes to fuel type. Engine type and compression ratio. The type of engine your bike has, be it a carbureted or fuel-injected one, plays a vital role in determining the ideal petrol. Manufacturer's recommended fuel type. Always refer to your bike's user manual or consult the manufacturer's recommendations for the specific fuel type. Performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's talk about how the type of petrol affects your bike's performance and fuel efficiency. Impact of petrol type on bike performance. Using the right petrol can enhance your bike's performance by ensuring efficient combustion and reducing engine stress. Effects on mileage and fuel efficiency. The choice of petrol can also influence your bike's mileage and fuel efficiency. Optimal combustion provided by the right petrol can improve your bike's fuel economy.